All right guys, so you have installed your keeper, now you need to know how to use it. All right, your lanyard, you're gonna use that same way that you always have. Difference is once you have all this excess line that you need to stow, you need to unlock this handle by pushing it towards your body and then pull on the handle to put it all away. There's going to be a hole that forms right here. That's gonna go right over the top just like that, and then this just rolls into position. That locks it. Okay, just see that from the side here. You're gonna unlock it by pushing towards the body like this. Lock it by putting it down like that. Unlock it towards the body. Roll it back into position like that. To give you an idea of line diameters and how they work with the keeper, this is Teufelberger's Hipstar Flex. It's a 12.7 millimeter line. Something this big is going to be just harder on the pull. Whereas if you drop down to 11.6 millimeter, this is the cousin Atrex. It moves a lot more freely inside the keeper. So it's just gonna be kind of a preference thing of what line you want to use. So thank you guys so much for buying the keeper and supporting Neat Freak. Don't hesitate at all to reach out with any comments or questions that you guys have for us.